Hello everyone, hope you're doing wonderful today. Welcome to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the Deco transfer sheets on a resin surface. So let's get started. On a recent trip to my craft store, I found their newly released transfer sheets, Deco transfer sheets. So basically they are pictures that you can transfer on a surface like wood, glass, metal, etc. So I wanted to see whether you can transfer these onto a resin surface. So we're going to try that. So I'm going to use these pictures from this particular sheet. So a white surface would look good for it. I have mixed resin with white opaque pigment and pearl white mica powder to give it a little bit of shine. Mix it well and pour it into your mold. Allow this to fully cure, and we'll unmold this and try and transfer the pictures tomorrow. It's day 2 and the resin surface is ready. So the instructions on the Deco transfer sheets are very clear. Cut the picture as close as possible. It has transparent backing, so remove that. So I've removed the transparent backing. This is a mirror image, so place it on your surface like so. Make sure it sticks well, and then take some water, take a sponge, dip the sponge in the water and then dab it on the paper backing. Okay, dab it well until you see the image, and then slowly remove the paper backing. So if done properly, the image should transfer onto the surface. Oh, beautiful. Once you transfer the picture, it is time to seal it. So make sure your resin surface is completely dry, and then pour another layer of resin to seal the picture. Do make sure that there is no water on the surface. Water and resin don't go well together. Allow this to fully cure, and your really quick magnet or coaster is ready. This looks great, doesn't it? So I did another one with the copper LED lights in the coaster. Looks great in the dark background with some lights in it. So this is actually like a higher quality version of the temporary tattoo that you put on your hand. You can use this transfer sheets on several surfaces like wood, like glass, and even on fabric. That's all I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any requests, do let me know in the comments down below. Do subscribe, comment, like and share for more videos. I'll see you soon in the next one.